Hey guys, hope you're well. Yeah, so we're just continuing with the Java video, evaluating math functions. So it's just a continuation from the previous video that I've done. Okay, cool. So on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe. Like what you see, please subscribe. Thanks in advance. So public static method, right? I'm gonna have to type main here. Okay, so main, and then string, square brackets, args, arguments. Okay, so I'm going to start off by typing system dot out dot println. Okay, and then math dot flow. Okay, and my value is going to be 3.612. Okay, so that rounds down to the nearest integer. Okay, cool. Right, so what I'll do is I'll just copy this part so it saves me from typing it out again. So command copy and then paste it. Right, so we set up the flow and then get exponent. Okay, I'm just going to go with the random number 0.1. Okay, right. So what this does is the get exponent part. It returns an unbiased exponent. Yeah, from floating point rep. Okay, cool. Right, command paste again, and we're gonna go with hypot. Okay, I've got two numbers, two integers, 3 and 7. Okay, and that's the square root of x squared. The sum. Okay, sorry, it should be the sum. The sum of plus y squared. Okay, cool. And then command paste again. So math.hypot.log. I'll go for 1.4, 1.2. Yeah, that'll do. So natural log in base E. Okay, and paste again. Log 10. So 3. So that's log in base 10. Okay, command paste again at log 1p. Okay, think of the random number 2. Okay. Right, so log in base E of sum of x and 1. Okay, cool. Command paste again. The max. So two integers, 22 and 55. So that's the highest integer. Okay, and then what was it? Min 77 8000. Okay, clicking on to the next bit, next after. Okay, I've got values 3 and 10. Right, so what this will do is it returns a floating point number. adjacent to A in the direction of B. Okay, cool. Right, and then cracking on, meth.next after, then mix.next up. Okay, 3.2. Right. So floating point number again. Adjacent. To X. So, yeah, I'll call it X, yeah. In the direction of positive infinity. Okay, cool. And then cracking on to the next math function again. So power. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'm going to do square root thing. So the square root, no, the value of 4 cubed is equal to, in space, and then math dot power 4 and 3. Right, cracking on to the next lot. Okay, so that was the math and power. Random, so we're going to use the random value now. Okay, so generates a value between 0 and 1. Okay, and then paste again, method random, method round. I've got a value 4.237. This is rounded down, rounded to the next integer. Nearest int. Okay, and then cracking on to the next one. Sorry, just made a mistake there. So command copy and then paste it again. Right, so that was the round part, and then random integer. So this returns a double value. Yeah, that is closest to X and equal to an integer. Okay, command paste again. So those run int sign. So 1.2. Right, so this is going to be the sign of X, and then command paste, and then hyperbolic sign, and the hyperbolic sign of X. Okay, command paste again, square root. So actually what I'll do, I'll create a string again. So the square root of I think of a number 64 equals, okay, space, and then plus math dot square root, so 64, right, so the square root of 64, right, so that's, yeah, that's going to be 8 anyway. Okay, and then the square root of 64, then one paste, then tangent of x, 1.3. Okay, so tangent of x, and then paste, and then hyperbolic tan 1.22. Okay, and then clicking on to the next, so math dot 2 degrees, so a value 2 degrees. Okay, so this is converting an angle in radians to 2 degrees. Okay, and then paste again. That's to radians. So we're doing the opposite. 170. So 170 degrees in radians. That's what we're saying. And then finally, the last part, well, the last mid function. Dot your LP. Okay, I've got a number. I'll put 2 there. Right. And what this does is it returns size of unit, okay, of list precision. Right. If I forget to do that. Okay, cool. Right, and then a string. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this was helpful. Have a good day. Have a good day. Full stop. Period. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, cool. And a semicolon. Job done. So let's run the string. Let's run the code. Okay. Yep. So it's all evaluated. Okay. Yeah, the square root of 64 is 8. So here there's the line of code. The hyperbolic sign of 1.2 is 1.50 and so forth. Okay. The value of 4 cubed is equal to 64. Okay, that sort of thing. Yep. So yeah, so hopefully this was helpful, guys. And yeah, like I said, please do subscribe, and thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.